Hi, everybody. My name is Dr. Marrielle Myers. I am a two-time graduate of the College of Education here at North Carolina State. Go Pack! I started my master's here in 2003, and then I came back to do my PhD, and both of those degrees were in mathematics education. So I'm so excited to be back today, not only as an alum, but also as a two-time published children's book author. And I'm so excited to share my love of K-5 math content, in particular K2 in these books, with future teachers, future elementary teachers. It was so amazing to talk with them about the intentionality that I built into the books, what it means to be an early math teacher, how we can think about teaching math through literacy, how we can think about social emotional learning through literacy, how we can kind of challenge notions about who a mathematician is, where mathematics is done, all of those good things. So they got to meet Marlee the mathematician today, and they got to peruse the two books, and we got to talk all about them. It was phenomenal. I would say my favorite nugget would be book 2. I love book 1, of course, because it's the first book I wrote, Operation Feed the Ducks, but book 2 shows so much growth as an author. And it also shows a lot of intentional growth about how I want the book to support parents, teachers, caregivers as well. So when you take the dust jacket off the book, it opens up to the most beautiful, the cutest math mat. So it has 10 frames inside. It has a number line. I write a letter to the parents to say, hey, this book is supposed to be fun and joyful, so make sure you kind of set it up to be that way. I have a QR code that takes you to some resources as well. So I think I'm so proud of that book because of all of the built-in support that's there to really help the book accomplish what it's supposed to accomplish, and that is to spark joy in mathematics. I love the College of Ed here. I am a two-time graduate. I got my master's and PhD here in North Carolina State, and I just want to give some shout outs and kudos to some of the most amazing faculty. First of all, to Dr. Holly Lynn Lee for her generous support of the book. I'm just so thankful for her and a relationship now that has lasted over 20 years. I also have to give a shout out to Dr. Patricia Marshall. I owe so much of that journey to her. She introduced me to Gloria Latson-Billings, and so I'm just so thankful for that. I also want to give a shout out to Paula Stein. She was Dr. Stein, Professor Stein. She's now Dean Stein. So I just want to thank her for everything that she did. She was a phenomenal advisor for my doctoral program. So I'm just so thankful. So I'm grateful for the faculty here. I'm still in contact with so many of my classmates, Hope, Jima, Ayana, Aaron, so many people that I still stay in touch with. The College of Ed is a huge family, and the legacy lives on. And so I'm just excited to just continue to carry it all forward.